Hey guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Rahat and welcome on board. So guys, if you all are following me on Instagram, you would know that I visited Sephora like last week, and if you're not following me there yet, do follow me. Go to the Instagram and follow me there. I will give you the link down below, so do check that out. So I did not share anything on Instagram, like on my stories or anything what all I bought from Sephora, because I wanted to make a separate video for this one. As I told you that I have started my bridals, so I am just buying new things, and I had also promised with you guys that I will be sharing everything which I'm gonna buy. So this is probably the second thing which I bought for my new venture. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's see what's all there in this bag right here. So the very first thing which I could see over here is the bill, and I have purchased stuff worth 7,000. So yeah, let me show you what all are there. So the very first thing, I will just grab it like that. So okay, this is a Sephora collection, like this is Wild Wishes collection by Sephora, which contains 3 lipsticks right here, and these are mini lipsticks. So this is how you have to remove it. So okay, there's a tape here, so I'll just remove this. Okay, so yeah, this is how you remove it. Come on, I did not remove it from the other side. So alright, so this is how it looks like, and these are very pretty lipstick shades right here. So I won't give you the swatches here because I need to use them on somebody else, so this is not ethical at all. So these are sort of colors. I will just remove one and show you. So this is how the packaging looks like. So if you are looking for lipsticks which are long lasting and which won't budge, so you should definitely invest in these. And this is not that small, actually a pretty good size, and this costed me around 1720 bucks. 700. So yeah, this was the first thing which I bought. Alright, so the next stuff is a very interesting thing actually. When I went to Sephora, there is a counter called Sephora, and there they have showcased their products, like their makeup range. So I just saw this thing laying there. This is nothing but a bronzer. Can you see? It's a huge bronzer right here, you guys, and this is sealed. So I will just remove it and show you the color. Actually, I just loved the packaging and the color. Can you see this? Such a big mirror, and my whole face just fits very nicely into this mirror. And this is the bronzer. I mean, bigger than I don't know anything. So yeah, this is the second stuff which I bought, and I am really looking forward to use this one on my brides. Okay, so next stuff is a foundation. This is again by Sephora, and this is a hydration 10-hour moisture foundation, and I have heard a lot of things about this foundation, and I really wanted to check out myself. So I bought it in the shade matte tan, and this is very much suitable to MAC NC35. So yeah, this seems to be like promising, and I am gonna share the review with you. And if you want a review of this, you could definitely comment down below, and I must share that on Instagram. And for that, I mean, you'll have to follow me there. And this costed me around 1690 bucks. And the bronzer is again is for 1600 bucks. So yeah, this was the next stuff. Alright, so the last stuff and the most favorite of mine, at least the best thing ever I have bought, is this one. This is by Pixi, and this is glittery eye squad. There is gap after glitter. So yeah, this is a squad like for glitter eyeshadows, pressed glitters, and I wanted this into a palette because I cannot just afford to carry a lot of single eyeshadows just like that. So I wanted something compact. So if you are an MUA and if you want to invest in something good, these are very pigmented and very nice. I mean, if you don't apply any glitter as well, this will glide so beautifully, because I had a swatch on my hand when I went to Sephora. So yeah, I just love this stuff and picked this one, and this costed me around 1500 bucks. Not at all expensive and bad deal. So if you want something like this, or you're looking for something like this, go and grab this in Sephora near you. So guys, that's it from my Sephora haul. If you like this one, do give big thumbs up to this video. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future videos. And yeah, I will see you in my next one super soon. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.